Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Bonk update today. So basically on the trade ideas, I've actually been giving out some very good setups. Andy has done nearly 42%. White has almost done 24%, I guess, by now as we're talking. And this is totally pure easiest way. If you're a trader and you're experienced, very easy way to trade from trade ideas. If you know how to trade and you're looking for setup, so check the comment section. It's an open invitation, you don't have to pay anything, and you're going to be in Discord. So same goes for Bonk as well. Okay, speaking of trade ideas, if I have to post another trade ideas on the trade idea, then it has actually to be something like Bonk. As a matter of fact, let's actually just go into the trade ideas and let's actually paste in the Bonk trade idea, and let's actually tell everyone, you know what, I think that Bonk is in the mood. Okay, so this is Bonk and I'm going to post as a trade idea. You see what I'm doing right here? Okay, tell me you guys agree or not. So whoever is watching this, whoever is a trader, okay, I've actually just posted it, right? You have this, you broke, you came for the retest, you have the probability to fall down. And this is the same thing back on 25th that I did with Andy as well. Look at this, okay? The trend line breakdown, the retest, and the ability to actually fall right down over there. And what happens to Andy as we talk about it, it actually goes even way more lower, and you can see that Andy did something like this. It actually went down 34%, and now it's almost at 42%. Bonk, one more time. So when we see Bonk actually coming down here, imagine what kind of a massive let's do the calculation right over there. This is going to be nearly 43%. Okay, 43%. Now what can actually be the entry? Probably the entry is right over here, maybe with a stop loss at 1842. So that actually can be nearly, we're talking about, it's a 10% risk. Okay, it's a very big risk, 10%. Maybe if I do go lower to lower time frames, what can actually be the entry? Man, it's a little bit hard to say, but you can see that the EMAs actually suggest that if you try to cross above the EMAs, that's going to be pretty stupid. So what I'm expecting is you just continue to go even lower and lower from there. Okay, so you do have an opportunity from Bonk, which is a 42%. And this is just one example of so many that is coming up in the future. Imagine getting that 42%. It's going to be a very big confidence booster to believe in what the trade ideas is actually all about, right? Because it's not just Bonk that I'm focusing on. In the future, I am committed to drop more and more and more and more ideas which are good high probability setups that can actually play out, and I think that Bonk is one of those high probability setups that is about to play out. So the next scenario is to take out this stop here, this wick here, and it makes a lot of sense for Bonk to actually start to drop down from there. Now if you think like 10% is very big, maybe you could try the stop down at 1738, but that's going to be very, very tight, and has the probability of your stop being taken away and do a stop loss hunt. And that's why I think that coming up at 1829 is actually much better. You just give it the breathing room. But think about it, okay? 11% is a very, very big risk at the moment, okay? 11% is quite huge. But then again, if you know your setups, if you know your game, you know how to trade this one. I've just made it easy for you once again. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.